There was an incident I remember when some children has burst a bomb on a weaning mother, and she had a 1-week-old litter with the 6 to 8 puppies. All of them got burned with the firecracker. That got shocked. My name is Nilesh. I am the founder of PAWS, stands for Plant and Animals Welfare Society.
या कुत्र्याबरोबर खेळणारा निलेश कोणत्याही प्राण्याबरोबर असाच तासनतास रमतो. त्यांच्याबरोबर घालवलेला दिवस त्याला सार्थकी लागल्यासारखा वाटतो. प्राण्यांची काळजी घेणं आणि त्यांच्यावर उपचार करणं हा त्याचा छंद आहे.
Actually, I wanted to become a software engineer, but there was an incident where I found a pigeon and I wanted to help it out, and I saw one of my colleague who already doing this work, and she was sitting on the road giving a medicine to a street dog, which I never seen in my past life. That was a thing which is, absolutely changed my mindset. Started helping animals, birds, reptiles, everything that I could. From a donkey till a small baby sparrow, everything I could help, I did, and that has changed my completely thinking. And finally, the saturation point came where it was very much exhausting. So I decided to give up my career and I started working as a CEO of an NGO which can help the animals in distress.
या कावळ्याप्रमाणे निलेश वटवाघूळ आणि घुबड असे पक्षी आणि गाढव आणि डुक्कर असे प्राणी यांच्यावरही उपचार करतो आणि त्यांची काळजी घेतो.
In an attempt to educate animal lovers, PAWS, which stands for Plant and Animal Welfare Society, is an organization that held a very informative seminar that you shouldn't miss.
The main challenge was starting to explain the people animal welfare. When I started in 2001, I started an ambulance for animals, which was a new for them. So people used to question us a lot. But now the situation is different. Now they want us to give the lip call service and quickly the animals to be rescued. Now people understand that the sparrow fallen from the nest, if there is a snake in the ground, they shouldn't ignore or they didn't kill, they just call us. So in 22 years these things have changed. Now the people wants to join, people wants to help. Previously it wasn't there. Actually we got a nice support from the young people, young brigade. We always known as one of the youngest team, and we also in the Limca Book of Records in 2005 as India's youngest animal rehabilitation team. I saw a lot of stray dog menace. People are getting complaints of the dog bites. So I helped the municipal corporation to set up a sterilization center, and my team of PAWS, including myself, we every alternate Sunday go out and do the anti-rabies vaccination on regular basis. Past 22 years this has continued. Nobody even thought of doing the vaccination for the street dog, but we started. This was a game changer for that, and now the international organization follow us. They introduce a truck in India and they are doing massive vaccination throughout state-wise. There are 2-3 types awareness which is still not there among. They want the breed animals, they want the imported breeds, they want the Labrador cuddling animals instead of having street animals or desi Indian dog adopted. So I'll rather than tell them to adopt an Indian dog instead of the foreign breed, because they are meant for their own countries and the regions and the climate, which is not suitable in India. And the second thing is that there is a lot of misunderstanding about the dairy industry, because many people still consume leather, there are many cosmetics that are tested on animals, then there are lot of things in day to day where which can be harmful to the animals.
How do you face this whole mental thing about you're doing so much work and the effect of it might be really minuscule?
But I never thought of this thing because I know one small story of the starfish which is very famous. Like there was a boy who was throwing the starfish back into the sea, and the man comes and asks him, Ki, why are you doing this? What the difference you made? So the boy clearly says that you go and ask that starfish what the different in his life which I made. So it's the same thing, whether people follow, whether only one follow, or whether everyone follow, or whether half follow. My work is that I will continue to create an awareness. Let the people, let the world inspire at 1%, 10%, 50% or 100%. But I'll continue my effort. My vision is to just make the world a better place. As much as I can, I wanted to make that the humans and the animals or the non-human beings should coexist.
याच्यामध्ये लाईक माइंडेड लोक आहेत की ज्यांना या सर्व कामामध्ये नेचरसाठी, वाईल्ड लाईफसाठी किंवा एन्व्हायरमेंटसाठी काहीतरी करायची इच्छा आहे. अशा सर्व लोकांना जवळ बोलवून त्यांना या सर्व गोष्टींचं प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग जर वर्षातून एकदा दिलं गेलं तर आमच्या कामामध्ये आम्हाला मदत होईल.